What's up, guys? We're getting this 500 completely finished up today. We're gonna take it for its final test ride. And I'm gonna do a full walk around.
Welcome back.
You okay, Alex?
Yeah.
Everything's okay.
It's hot.
It's hot. It's really hot. It's really hot. I don't have much to say other than it's really hot.
It's hot.
The trike's hot or it's hot out?
It's hot.
It's hot.
That's how a man kicks it. You got boots, a little advertising area. So excited to take this thing for a rip finally. Let's get into the video. Everyone's gonna be like, why isn't he doing wheelies and burning the tires? Because I don't want to destroy it for my customer. I'm being respectful. Sorry guys, I'm not gonna be wheeling and I guess spinning the tires on this one, but we'll definitely do some close-ups. What a freaking beast, man. Thanks for passing it over.
Yeah, sweating, dude.
Dude, it's like 105 probably in the sun. We are dying right now. Oh man. What a clean build. What a clean build. So guys, as you know, like we talked about in the last video, the invert kit is looking mighty nice today in the sun. You can see the sparkle on the OEM covers. Had a lot of questions on how we did the kickstart. So it all starts with a kickstart extension, CRF kicker, and our custom brake pedal. We do have to pull the fenders off. We're not gonna cut the fenders on this one. If we ever do a custom frame in the future, which we're actually planning on doing, it's gonna have a flip top. Our customer was good with just popping the seat off. The thing, as you can see, it starts pretty easy. You just gotta really kick it like a man. Now, there's no charging system on this that will run an LED light. So we've got this thing wired up for, just gonna pop that off. So we've got a little battery holder right here. We were gonna do a battery box. The power tool batteries are actually faster charging and they actually will stay lit up longer. So we have it wired up for that. You can just take a Milwaukee battery and pop it on the back right here when you're ready to ride this thing at night. And again, it all just goes up to a on-off switch. We've got a fuse on there too, right in the back here. So that's how we solve the headlight issue. You're not messing around with charging systems and all kinds of things. That headlight, again, will not run off the stock charging system anyway. Dude, it is way too hot for a video. I can't even talk right now. Got a custom intake on here, guys, just like on all of our other trikes. So this one's no airbox. He's not gonna be ripping this thing in the mud. We are waiting on a different cover for this. This is temporary, so we can get his bike shipped out. The Boyson covers have been, I don't know if they're on permanent back order, I'm not sure. I don't know what the deal is. It's kind of getting old at this point waiting on them, but we're probably gonna end up making a billet cover and mail it to them if the other one does not come in. So guys, this is an older mid-80s motor. We added the long rod to this thing and we got it to today's standard. So in that case, I mean, basically a 2001 style crank. He already had this West Coast swing arm. Some of you guys are gonna notice that are true enthusiasts of the 250R. Super clean setup. Real happy with how it turned out. Got the hydraulic clutch on here. Got the old brake pedal on here. So we took the stock pin and actually cut it and inserted it into the brake pedal. I'm not sure if I'm gonna add this to the website yet or not. I've had a lot of guys actually email about it. If you guys did want it, for sure, I'll just have to remake that pin and spline it and do all the fun stuff, or you can send me your OEM one to remove the pin from. But basically, you can see how that's welded on there. And it just goes underneath the foot peg instead of over the top. If we had it over the top, this kicker would smash right into it. So we've got the full JSV pipe on here, looking really nice. Again, I always talk about how it has better clearance than the hoses. It's just night and day over an FMF in terms of clearance and performance. You guys can see how we modify the mid pipe on here. It's all ATC250R rear brakes. Again, swing arms extended. He's got a extended RPM axle. We added some bead locks on here. Polished front wheel with the billet hub. Of course, the invert forks. Pro taper handlebars. Super clean bike. This guy right here, he powder coated the chassis. Actually did all the powder coating on it, pretty much from front to back. So we've got a super mirror red powder coat on the frame. It's very close to the mirror shrouds. Gold metallic in the swing arm. Super clean. It's only right we get a picture, right?
Dude, this thing starts first kick like every single time.
Oh, it's a freaking, like I said, all original. I can't freaking believe it. Honestly, I can't believe it. You guys, if you haven't yet, check out the last video on that bad boy. So, two very different builds. I just want to show you guys, I guess, a slight comparison. We've got just under a 25-inch front tire. He has a 23-inch front, 10-inch wheel, 12-inch wheel, 20s in the rear with 9s, and 18s with, I believe, 8s. Big difference in build style. I'm sure he's going to be throwing some bigger tires on this eventually. See, guys, didn't even spin. I was being gentile. I once had a technician work on my printer. His last name was Gentile. He was a gentleman.
There's still a little nips on it.
Got the nippies. Got the nippies. I got to get on the opposite side of the sun, man. It's just killing the video. Of course, we waited till the end of the day. We've just been wide open getting projects done. Yeah, Two nice builds for sure. Gotta have the 500 badging on there. Again, Cosmic Quads, we sent this seat out to them and they took care of the seat for us. Hard to tell that thing isn't original. It looks damn good. Just a comparison, guys. This is a Foreworks seat. Gripper material. Quite a bit different look. I wanted it just so my ass isn't sliding off. This will be a good way to compare our foot pegs. Got the new folding pegs compared to the OEM pegs. Big difference. His were straight, so we left them. Someone definitely cartwheeled this one. I wish I had videos of all the abuse it went through its whole life. Boy, it turned out nice. Everyone says the tanks look amazing. This sun, honestly, makes them look better than they are. Looks like they've both been polished at one point. When that one came in, it was pretty shiny. It kind of actually dulled out a little bit just sitting for the last couple of months as we got this whole deal assembled. Still shines up though. Still looks good. Cool, guys. I'm gonna take some as good of pictures as I can. I'm not a professional photographer here, just the old iPhone guy, but get some pictures, get these things I guess wiped down again, and get that one ready for pickup. We got the shipping guy coming, I guess, beginning of next week, and that thing's going off to its home. So I'm excited for him to get it. It's been a couple months in the making. It takes a while to build these. It could take anywhere from 6 months to a year by the time you get all the bits, bobs, and pieces in, and you're not waiting on things like stator covers from Boyson for 8 months. But again, you're gonna have all these hiccups in builds in this day and age. And if you guys like 500 two-strokes, and of course the ATC250R, comment, let me know. We got tons more content coming, and hopefully we'll take the ATC250R out for a rip soon. See you guys in the next video. We get a lot of questions about how to start these. I guess the only answer is like a man, but put it in neutral.
Yep.
Gonna go to top.
Oh, not that one.
Nope. It's gonna do a little clicky action. Not really, but it goes just past. Yep, there it is. Oh. Dude, it's so beautiful in the sun.
Yeah, I can't even see right now.
I can't either. My other phone just overheated. I had to go get the wife's phone. Pretty excited about it. That one in?
Dude, it's way too hot.
It's not hot.
Okay.
What is she got? She got a little AC unit over there.
It's not hot in here.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Why is it 107? Oh my god, it just went up. 108.
Oh my god.